Hey guys, so I thought I would do this video because you know how annoying it is when you go to, if you're working from home and you have your home account or your personal account, and then you go to your job and you have your job account, and then you try to open something on your job, but it defaults to another account in everything that you open. For instance, if I go here and I want to open up, say, a, I don't know, maybe news. I'm trying to think of something safe because last time I opened Maps and Maps told you guys where I lived, and that's just kind of crazy. So that is just crazy. So let's say I open up I don't know, my business, right? So I open this up, but it's still under, and that wasn't a good one to open up. So I'm gonna open up. I actually had one open up and just decided to deter from that. And that just didn't work out really well. So let's just say I do sites or something like that, right? So when I open up sites, it opens up into the default account. Even if I sign into another account, it's going to open up in a default account. So I was like, how do I do this? And I've tried many things. And the funny thing is the fix for this is super easy. I've tried it before, but I didn't do it effectively. So this time I'm going to do it the right way. So up here, not this one, because this one is browser level pretty much. So this one up at the top, this one controls like your Gmail account for this particular browser. So really we're setting up multiple accounts on this browser. So what I'm going to do is click here, and then down here at the bottom where it says add, I've already added one for work. I'm going to just click on the plus sign to add. And when I get here, I can name the account. So this one that I'm going to set up is, let's just say, from a college. Sorry, this is my little grandson. He just wants to see me. I would just name this FCC. You know what? I'm just going to name it FCC. All right, so I'm going to set this one up for FCC. I'm going to choose like a really, really cool icon for it. Since it is a school, what do I think of when I think of school? I don't know. I think of pizza because I always do a pizza party for my students. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to add it. All right. So now I have this new account. It comes in with that icon, and I can actually sign into a Chrome account. So for this one, I'm just going to click on it, and you will see that I have me at my work, me as professor, and then I have another account that isn't signed in yet. So that's another key part, is that you have to sign into the account. Okay. So when I click here, and let's just say, I'm just going to use Happy Teach for, oops. I'm just going to sign in. So I'm going to go to Gmail for, okay. So once you sign into any of your accounts, you're all signed in. So I'm just going to sign in. And there was another way I could have done it right through that menu, but you know, why not? All right, so I'm just going to type Happy Teach. And I'm going to hope that I remember my password here, especially since I'm recording. Let me see. That wasn't it. That was it. All right. So now that I did this, I'm signed in, and it's going to ask me, do I want to save passwords? And I'll say yes. And then I can turn on sync, which is going to sync all of anything that I have synced to this account. So I'll hit turn on sync. And now it just tells me, do I trust it? Do I want password history? Yeah, I'm good. All right. So now I'm signed into Happy Teach, and they both have the same logo as my other account. But so when I go up here to the top, this is the one that matters. The one that's right up across from your search bar is the one that matters. So that's telling you what account you're signed into. So now if I want to switch though, so you see where it says Happy FCC, if I click here, and I can go back to my work account, and now the icon is the same only because, but it's my work account clearly. And if I click again and I go down to professor, you'll see that top one changes. So it's not about what this one is, because this is kind of like a here and now wherever you are. So that way, when you open documents or whatever, it's going to open in the same window. I am up here, up at the top one in Chrome, and that's the one that I need to change. So that's really all you have to do in order to change your account, so that now everything that I open, as long as I'm up here, is showing the account that I want to be in, then then it's going to open all documents based off of that account, which is so awesome. And I've seen this has been the biggest struggle. I talk to people and teachers. I see it on Facebook. I see it on social media. That it's driving them crazy. So you might not know that that was there. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully now you're like, oh my gosh, this just creates, this is just awesome. I don't know. But anyway, let me know if it helped you out. And that'll be super cool. You can let me know in the comments if you're looking at this on YouTube or wherever you're looking at it. Otherwise, that is my tidbit of the day. I'll see you next time with another tip. Later.